Welcome to TFRCC TV, the Faithfully Rising Christian Community, a Catholic spiritual content channel dedicated to reflections, masses, adorations, gospel music, documentaries, and more. Our content is created for the Catholic community worldwide. While our platform is open to all, please be aware that the material presented here is exclusively intended for Catholics. We hold respect for all beliefs and do not seek to offend or convert followers of other religions. Thank you for joining us on our spiritual journey.
My dear friends, Pope's intention for the month of June is we pray for the migrants fleeing from war or hunger, forced to undertake journeys fraught with danger and violence, may find welcome and new living opportunities in their host countries. And it is said that June 20th, the United Nations celebrates World Refugee Day. And also it is observed that the number of migrants, it has exceeded the number of the people who have migrated during the World War II. As it is noted that around 110 million people have migrated to various countries because of war or other countries. And in this regard, the Pope, the Holy Father, is asking us to accompany the migrants, to promote them and to integrate them. Because we know the trauma, especially the people who are forced to flee their country because of war, they go through. They don't have home, they don't have food, they don't have even the basic necessities. And we have seen in the wars that have taken place, or still between the war between Russia and Ukraine, the ongoing war between the West Bank, and many countries where people are forced to face the inhuman conditions. The theme for the World Day of Migrants, which will be celebrated on 24th September, is God walks with people. And as we have seen in the history of mankind, in the history of salvation, God always accompanies His people, especially in the 40 years of the journey of Israelites in the desert. It was God who was accompanying them in the form of pillar of fire. Though many times the people forgot that God is there with them and they went to the other gods. But we know that it is their own God who leads them to the promised land. So the Holy Father is asking us to imitate, to take the example of the Holy Family itself, because the Holy Family they were forced to flee from their own land to the land of Egypt. And the Holy Father is calling us to welcome them, to protect them, to promote them, and to integrate. In our own land, in Goa, we have this problem of migrants. Though some of them are genuine, we know that some of them, they come here for wrong reasons. Some of them, they even indulge in very forgery cases where the land is taken over by them by producing false documents or by way of doing some cheating. I would say that is not encouraged and that is not according to the law. Even the civil law and even on the law, even the words of the scriptures. So let us, I would say, as fellow Goans, we need to sensitize people about this. And also, there are not all migrants, I would say, are bad. There are some who have come genuinely for their livelihood. We need to welcome them, protect them, promote them, integrate them in our own in our own land, in our own Goa. So let us seek the help of Mother Mary, who faced similar situation when she herself went to Egypt. The hardships she went through, she is aware of the hardships that the migrants go through. Let us seek intercession, especially as we have this devotion to Our Lady of Candelaria on first Saturday. I ask you to come and seek the help of Mother Mary. Also come with your own problems. Mother Mary is there to take care of us, to take her to Jesus.